Jesus the Nazarene, and wonder how he could love me, a sinner condemned unclean. In glory, his face I at last shall see. 'Twill be my joy through the ages to sing of his love for me. We're singing, how marvelous, how wonderful, and my song shall say